Hello guys, welcome back to channel SSC Shorts. Today we are going to discuss about the expected date for the SSC CGL 2024. Also the excise inspector vacancy for certain regions. Okay, before going to that, the expected tier 1 exam will be in July or August of 2024 and the tier 2 exam will be in November or December of 2024. Okay, the number of vacancies for the excise inspector in 2024 from the recent RT replies in this zone varies. Okay, when going into the Delhi region, it is having a total vacancies of 39 vacancies. Mumbai is having a total vacancies of 95 vacancies. Jaipur is having 13 vacancies, and Kerala is having 46 vacancies. If you guys want to know about any new updates about SSC CGL 2024, please subscribe our channel for further updates. Okay.